Dear viewers, a very good morning to all of you. Today I'm going to share with you a very beautiful place, a true natural beauty where I reside. This is Canary Hill of Hazaribag. Let us begin with a wonderful quote here: plant a tree, plant a life. So, this is Hazaribag East Forest Zone. You can see a very wonderful example here of strong determination. You can see that this tree is grown on a rock. It shows a strong determination. If we have strong determination, we can overcome any problems. We can survive anywhere. This is the example of that. We have very wonderful natural beauty here. This is the top of the hill where you can reach, covering 650 stairs. It is around 400 feet. Generally, we get sagwan trees, sal, and different kinds of trees also. This is just beside the new highway of Hazaribag, which connects Hazaribag, Barhi, and Ranchi. There is a very beautiful place. This is the rest house of Canary Hill. You can see the portrait of this rest house. You can come here and enjoy a very quality time. This is the circular road, which is around 2.5 kilometers if you take one round of it. Early in the morning, you can enjoy a wonderful sunrise. This is the beauty you can see right here. The sun is rising. Wow. This is the outer area from where you reach Canary. This is the flyover. This is the front area of Canary from where you will enter, and I will show you the gate and also the stairs. You can see the stairs are not in very good condition, but if you climb, you can reach there well. This is the entrance of Canary through the flyover. New bridge has been erected. This is the front gate through which you will enter to reach the top. Generally in the morning, it is crowded because so many people come here for morning walk. They take exercise, they run, they do jogging. This is the front view of the hill. You can see. Yes, this is the top. If you reach there, you can see the view, a wonderful view. I will show you in another video. Today I'm not climbing here. Yes, this is the new highway and the flyover. This is the road through which you can reach the rest house. This is a PCC road. Truly a natural beauty. You can reach there by any bike or car. Right. Everywhere You can see the appeal of the forest department. This also leads to the information of climate change. You can see here the wonderful view of nature. This is the road which leads you to the rest house. Actually, I'm going downward, but if you have to go, you can go through this road, right? This is the way through which you can go up. The people often come here for jogging. You can see the fencing. You cannot go the other side. Right. How beautiful it looks. This is the outer area of the hill. You can see the frosty morning. The sun is rising, but there is also frost. This is the rocky way through which you can reach the rest house. Many people climb here for exercise purpose. But through road, if you want to go, I showed you earlier the path. Now I will climb through the rocky way, climbing through the rocks. How beautiful. It's foggy, right? Let us climb. The way is rough, but easily you can climb here. This is the rock, and I'm going upward. This is the rest house where you can come and enjoy. You can stay here at night, and early morning you can enjoy the view of sunrise. See, a very good arrangement is here. You can enjoy picnic with your family. This is a spot where you can go and sit and enjoy the morning view. So you can enjoy the morning view and the rising of the sun early morning. This is the view, wonderful view. You can see how beautiful it is. You can enjoy the view from here. Beautiful flowers are there. The sky is a little bit cloudy. Suddenly you can see a deep valley type area. People generally come here to enjoy the picnics. Yeah, this is the place from where you can get a wonderful view. If you come here and see through your own eyes, you can enjoy. Climate Change Department. You can see birds chirping and playing. Artificial nests are there for the birds. The name Canary has been given on the name of a canary bird. It sings very well. That is why the name of this hill has been given Canary Hill. This is a magnificent rest house. You will have to take permission for staying here. Wow. So this way you can enjoy Wordsworth generally used to go to nature to enjoy the beauty and the serenity of nature. So you can also find the same here. Being the student of literature, you can enjoy the beauty. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. You must have gone through this line of John Keats. This is the stair from the roadside. You can climb to the rest house. This is the way to rest house. This is the main gate to enter the rest house. It is generally locked, so you need permission. You can see the board, One Vishramagar Canary, वन पर्यावरण एवं जलवायु परिवर्तन विभाग, झारखंड सरकार, हजारीबाग पूर्वी वन प्रमंडल। It's wonderful to come here every day for morning walk. I thought that I should share with you people. Nature is the place which heals you and your pains. So, dear viewers, did you like this view of Hazaribag? I hope that you must have enjoyed it. Comment on this video and tell me how it was. Right? Thanks a lot. I will show you some other places of Hazaribag worth visiting and enjoying. Right? Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.